me.
Oh, you brought a camera?
Always.
Are we supposed to push buttons while doing this?
No.
No.
Because I feel like it's not registering what I'm doing. Either that or I'm sucking at it.
You gotta get in time with her.
But she's off.
She's off.
It's like following Mackenzie.
Ouch.
It's just being honest. Switching.
Alright, so we have your water bottle.
Yes, please.
Okay. You know, Bryce, the guy thinks you better follow. You think you better follow the skate course.
Oh shit.
Oh, we're not
So
switching?
you just go to YouTube, right? No, we don't. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I feel like you should.
Oh, look at that ass. Work that ass, baby.
Full circle.
Oh, let's get ask you.
Back that ass, Bryce. Back that ass.
Just getting ask you.
No, his hair actually kind of matches hers. I know, right? It's fun. Say no.
It's me and drag. Surprise.
Dude, you and drag was pretty good.
How'd you get the body?
What, you didn't know? Of course, that's stuff.
Okay.
Couldn't breathe. Oxygen tanks every so often. You know?
They had to keep stopping and then going and stopping. Oh, dude, Kaylee's got all the way up.
I know.
Todd, you're in my shot.
Okay, so it doesn't matter anymore, so going all out.
Oh, shit.
Ah!
Oh, my Lord.
Tambourine.
I'm pretty sure that everybody else's reactions are more fun.
Oh my.
Don't come back. Don't come back.
Can't bend your car.